Sorry, I did not have this on. Hi, I'm just waiting for a few more people to join in, and then I'll invite my guest for today. Hi Kavya! Oh my god, I can't believe you joined in. Hi Juveria, I'm so excited about today. Today is the Animal Lovers Day, and the guest is from Pets Bangalore. Pets World Bangalore. So yeah, we're gonna have some really interesting, animals shown today. Mr. Prasad Arvind is requesting to be on the... Okay, let me see, because I always get... Hi Joeria. Mr. Prasad, I already have a guest coming, so I don't think I can take video requests right now. I'm just okay. I actually came live in the afternoon. I was looking for people who would just want to talk and everything. Hi Nikhat, but unfortunately nobody was really around at that time, so I could not take up a lot of requests. But today, like right now, it's a scheduled kind of thing, so I can't really... Hi Adiba. So I can't really take up video requests. Okay, now I think enough people have joined in. I am requesting my guest to join in. It's World Bangalore. I hope he has gotten my request. Hi! Oh my god!
Hello.
We kept scheduling it and finally we got a chance to...
Yeah.
I'll switch off the background music, or you want it
Yeah.
to be on?
It's your wish.
No,
Anyways, anything is okay.
I don't want it to be too distracting. It's about the pets and animals today. So how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you guys doing there? I hope
Yes.
all are well.
And a lot of people are joining in. It's really nice.
Yeah. So, mm,
Looks
should
like
we wait?
pets are the thing now.
Okay,
So,
we'll start.
Arbaz, tell me something about you. I know that you're studying fourth year of engineering, and I also want you to talk about some of the work that you're doing for
So,
animals, and that's really
apart from my studies, I have a small team. We are into rescuing. So those who in within Bangalore, we have a small team as of now. Anyone who find any hurted animal, injured animal, or a stray which needed a shelter can contact us. They can reach us. Okay, we'll provide them a shelter, as well as the one who has the pet and are not able to look after them can also contact us. We'll adopt them, and we'll daily or weekly once we'll provide you the updates about the pet health, everything will provide you.
That is so sweet. Oh my God, that's nice. I wish I knew you when I had my cat. I always had problems, especially while traveling. Do you take pets when the owners are traveling as well?
Yeah,
For
we
say
have
certain limited...
at present we have adopted five of the pets, which are with some of our friends. There were some of my university mates who were from abroad. They could not take their pets with them, so they just contact me, and almost five Persian kittens we have adopted, and they are with different caretakers. So
Okay,
Alhamdulillah, they are doing well with them. And
okay.
we weekly once we provide them all the details about the health issues, what is the weight of the Persian kitten before and after, everything we provide them.
Oh, that is so nice. That is such a relief to have, because now unfortunately people are not traveling. But back then it was such a issue, because I used to look for my neighbors and be like, please look after I'm, going for a bit and everything. This is such a good thing. And
Yeah, and we
um,
don't take any charges for it. It's absolutely free.
oh, I think you should highlight that, free, free, free.
Yeah,
Everything is free because you guys
everything
love
is free.
animals. And okay, you also told me that you deliver pets also. If in case people want to adopt, you also deliver them to their doorstep, and you're doing all of this online now.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
tell me more about that.
Everything, everything. Okay, just a minute.
Okay,
Okay, I'm
that's a
sorry.
parrot, right?
Yeah, that's a parrot.
You had that parrot on your shoulder, I'm guessing. What is it?
The parrot's name is Suncorneo. Okay, we call
Okay,
him Sunny. He was very young
okay,
when we bought him. Actually, we adopted this fellow as well. The
okay.
This fellow makes a hell lot of noise. Okay, the neighbors in and around who hates pet and the noises of this, they won't bear this sound and all. So that's the
Yeah.
reason the pet owner he doesn't want it to sell him. So he gave us, and we are giving him the regular updates as well, because nowadays this fellow's price is on the top. Per bird, it's the chicks baby price is almost 10 to 12,000 rupees. So
Oh,
that's the
okay.
reason no one wants to just sell. He just don't wanted to sell him.
Okay.
So Alhamdulillah, he's doing good with us now. He's one of from as I said abroad. The many people who just went out, they could not look after them. So he's one from them.
Okay, that's lovely. So I'll be mentioning your contact link below whenever
Mm.
the video is over, so people can get in touch with you, and also
Yeah,
like they'll DM you, okay, for all of this. And
sure,
I was
sure.
actually looking to adopt a kitten, and that's how I got in touch with you. And unfortunately, I couldn't
Yeah.
adopt one. Yeah. Um,
So
Today, I actually made a special request to you to show, I think, four animals. And I
yeah.
was telling all my friends that, there's something special coming, and, they'll get to see animals. Because right now we already are going through quite a bit, and we can't, like, I want to adopt, but I can't. But it's lovely to see animals, and it's refreshing to even, like, get to know some things about them. And you had very offbeat kind of pets also, so I really wanted to
Okay, the
see.
very first pet I'm gonna show you people, okay, which is an exotic pet. Usually in Bangalore, there are very few who are owning them. So
Okay.
it is a golden cane tarantula. Okay, as
Oh my God.
okay,
Ah,
their venom is it's not dangerous for us. Okay, so this is golden cane tarantula is a basic tarantula for all the new hobbyist who wants to keep a pet has a tarantula who wants to keep. This is the first which they can keep them as a pet.
oh, okay. And what does it eat? How do you take care of it?
Okay, see for Persian
I
cats,
freak out with
and
spiders.
all, we have a proper food kind of thing. The main reason people not having this as a pet is they don't get a sufficient food. They eat mealworms, roaches, okay, and grasshoppers, all these kinds of things they eat.
Yeah, so how do you go catch them?
No, we don't catch them. Okay, they are in captive. Mealworms are breeded. Mealworms, superworms are there. So it's very easy. The process is very easy actually. And weekly once they eat. That's it. So they are low maintenance.
Oh, okay. Weekly once they eat, that's all.
Yeah, weekly once they eat. When they are small, has a sling. I will show you the baby's how small I brought him, and this is the age. This is the size now he is. But
Okay.
in this, there is a there is a like in humans we don't have any differentiate in the ages, right? But they have a different male lifespan is only for 5 to 7 years. Okay, but the female
Okay.
live for about 20 to 25 years.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
That's a nice thing. Okay.
yeah, so that is it. They are very calm. Okay, and he is well trained. He's very used to us.
Have you watched that movie where I think Akshay Kumar has a It's his name is Bala in the movie. I forgot. Like he has a spider in it. Like
Yeah, yeah,
it like. Have you watched that movie? It's kind of like
yeah.
that or something. Is it the
Yeah,
same
it's
thing?
kind of like that. It's kind of like that.
Ah, okay. There is somebody who is requesting to be in the video. Somebody called Your Exotic Pets Bangalore. Do you want him to join in, or I don't know whether it's him or her?
If you want, you can allow him. It's okay.
Okay, let's try. This is another like for a while, I guess. Let's see.
Yeah, Houseful 4, I
Houseful
guess.
four, yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Someone
he's
else.
right.
Yes, the houseful four. Let's see if they really join in. Hello.
Yeah, hi, what's up? What's up? What's happening?
Your video is blank.
Yeah,
You just
just give me.
all of a sudden sent a request, so I thought,
No, I was just scrolling down stuff and then it just happened by mistake. But then yeah, so,
okay, no problem. Thank you so much. Then I don't know how to like exit from here, so if you could exit, we can carry on with the live.
so.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Welcome.
you.
So
Okay,
yes.
so that was a good size tarantula. This is a small sling, as you people can see.
Oh my God, that's the size you get it in.
That's the size
That's
we
the
get them
biggie?
in. Yeah, that's we call them as slings. Babies, we call them as a sling. I guess you people are able to see.
How do you like, don't you feel scared that you'll lose it? Or like it's so tiny.
Yeah, it's so tiny. It was still small. Okay, now it's okay. At least we are able to handle him.
Mhm.
Before his first molt, he was very small, and now he is growing. Okay, someone is not. They don't want to see, I guess.
No, there are a lot of girls, okay, like of course, like I'm sure
Yeah.
a lot of girls have signed in. So
Hmm.
uh, you are showing a little bit of offbeat, pets because I was expecting some cats. So this
The
is a
cats and
surprise
all
to
are
me too. But
usual
then,
for
yeah,
everyone. Okay, I just wanted something different to be showed
I
because
know.
you.
I mean,
Yeah.
it's nice to know that these are also, there and you're taking care of this also. And I know
I
that you
actually
have a
wanted.
pet snake.
Yeah.
You were telling me about
Yeah.
that.
I actually
But
wanted to get him in, but in pets, in snake, the main problem is if their diet is not good and if they are not having a proper diet, we'll even lose them. That's the reason we don't take risk. When from past few days he's not having his proper meal. Okay,
okay,
that's the reason I could not get him.
okay.
The main problem sometimes what the snake does is he swallows us the food what we provide him, but once he vomits it, all the liquid particles which are present in his body just comes out, and then the digestive system goes wrong with him. So
Oh my
I
God,
just
I don't know how you take like how much of guts you need to do that. Like I don't
yeah.
know. I can't
For
see
snake and all,
something.
you must have you must be well trained. Okay, even I'm not that much trained still. I should learn more about them. That's the reason I could not. I just didn't want him.
Okay.
So the main
One
reason
of
why
the
snake.
comments are like the snake will end up swallowing the owner, but you don't stay with the snake. You have it in a different place, right?
See that snake is not a venom. They are venomous. They don't they are not poisonous. Okay, they are not harmful. They are a friendly pets. Okay, even in Bangalore there are only two or three kinds of pets, snakes which are dangerous for us. Okay, other than that, whichever you see in and around the parks, in and around your the drainage and all
Yeah,
those
near my house
snakes
also
are
there are many.
yeah, they
Yeah.
are not venomous. They are not venomous snakes. Okay, so there will be a rat snake or there will be a pond snake, okay, water snake which we call. So please,
Mhm.
even if you find any snake, please don't even try to kill them, okay? We need them to balance our life
Okay.
cycle. Okay? So please, you can reach us if you find any kind of a snake or any kind of a reptile which you feel is dangerous to you. You can reach us as soon as possible. We'll try to come over there.
You're so like calm with that spider on your hand. Oh my God.
Yeah, the more no, he feels us. Okay, so if I'm calm, even he will be. See, from a long time, he's just sitting in a place.
Okay.
If you
Okay.
hold this, he'll be running in and around because the way you will be moving and all. So If
Oh,
you are
someone has
calm,
messaged snakes are the calmest reptiles.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. There are people requesting for the next pet. I
Okay,
don't
so
think it's
the next
getting better.
that I'm gonna get it. Okay, so it's a
Ha,
scorpion. Okay, so we call
scorpion.
it as ancient Asian giant scorpion.
Yeah, when you say scorpion, I only think of The Rock. There was a movie where he was a scorpion.
Okay, are you people able to see? It's a small, still is a small one.
Ah, yeah. Oh my God. Someone has asked, do you have puppies? You have puppies with you?
Yeah, you can DM me on Instagram, Petsway Bangalore. I will reply your messages over there. Okay, there is a team who is replying you.
Oh
Okay, I
my God. Aren't you
okay.
scared holding the scorpion? Does
Okay.
it like,
So see, this is where they have a poison in them, which is this poison is not dangerous for you people, but there is a scorpion in India, which are found in Bengal side. That scorpion is very harmful and dangerous. It can kill children who are below 6 years of age. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my
So
God.
the main reason why I brought this scorpion to show is before buying any kind of a scorpion from any shop, please have a proper research of them because these shopkeepers just go catch them from the wild and they are selling them. So which is not good for
That's
you
actually
people.
happening. I mean,
Yeah,
people are buying.
yeah, people are
Okay.
doing that. The main reason I
Oh,
wanted to show is okay. So please, because this is one of a unique pet which people want to have. Okay, so.
okay. Okay. Fine. I'm like so far away. I'm on a video and I'm still like holding on.
So yeah, again,
Okay.
he's so calm now with me. He's not even
Yeah.
moving. Okay, so
So, what do you feed scorpions and how do you take
again,
care of
same
scorpions?
thing, same thing. Mealworms, grasshoppers.
Okay, so you
For
should be
this,
having a
for this
stock of
size,
that in your house.
yeah, I have a stock. I actually breed them in my house. Okay, because every time I
Oh,
one cannot go out and just thank you, yeah.
okay.
Someone just love the scorpion.
Yeah, this I'm happy. That's the only comment now saying that okay, I love the scorpion because otherwise everything was like, oh my God.
So,
Yeah.
as in last one of my live, I said there is an Indian Wildlife Act which was passed. So, in that Wildlife Act, scorpions are allowed to keep as a
Mm,
pet. Okay. So,
okay.
these are not restricted ones. So, these are legal pets as of now. These are found in Asian forests. So, you people can have this as a pet. They're not dangerous. See, he from such a long time I'm handling him.
Yeah.
He's just so calm with me.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. I think
He's
I'll
very
get an
calm.
award if I have a cat or a dog with me. This is like crazy. Oh my God. Okay, then let's go on to the next one. Let's see what you have next for us.
Next one is a parrot. Okay, we call him as a green chick conure.
Okay.
He is fully well trained. Even if we take him outside of the house, just a minute, I will just keep him.
I hope there are no alligators in your bathroom because it looks like only they are missing from the reptilian family. I think you have something else, no? Some kind of lizard also, I think so.
Yeah, iguana
It
we
was
have.
there.
So next time in a live, we'll do a reptile only a reptiles live
Oh
session. Okay,
yeah.
where I will show you the snakes.
I have to become
The
brave to at least watch it.
yeah, he just don't want to go in. See, he's not going in.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this fellow is
Oh,
very thick on you. Okay, we call him as a Rio. See,
okay.
he's on full feathers. Okay, he doesn't go anywhere. Even if the window is open, he doesn't go out. But we
Oh,
don't take a chance anytime.
okay.
Okay, please don't comment that I'm holding him in a wrong way. So that's the way we have hold him. See, he's
Okay.
playing with me.
Oh, it's playing. I thought it's trying to bite your hand. Does it like parrots generally have a very sharp beak, right? They
Yeah,
can
yeah, they
bite
have
off
very sharp
anything.
beak.
Yeah.
So even if he bites, no, nothing will happen because he's well trained and all.
Oh my God. Oh, that is so
So
nice.
yeah. So I brought this when he was of 2 weeks of baby. So now he's of 4 months. Before lockdown, I brought him. Uh,
What would be the price of this, like in case somebody has to
See,
purchase
this
birds like this?
well trained bird will be of 5,000 rupees. The babies will be around 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. See,
Ah,
biting
okay,
is not harmful. Okay, the bite is not
okay,
harmful.
okay, okay. And
If
what
the
do you
wild
feed the
bird,
parrot? Chilies and stuff? Like I've just
no,
seen
no, no,
people
no.
give.
These parrots don't eat chilies. Only the green ringneck parrot, which are found in India, have the chilies vegetables like tomato, chilies, green
Mm-hmm.
chilies, and all. These are dependent on fruits, vegetables, and some kind of seeds like sunflower seeds,
Oh,
uh,
okay.
chane, what we call. There are some mixed seeds which are available in the market for them. So having
Uh-huh.
a bird is very easy. Okay, you people can
Uh-huh.
have one of them. But
Okay.
again, if you are having a bird, you must be very, very responsible because once they are released, some even if by chance if they are out of your house, they will be killed. Okay, the eagles or the crows just chase them.
Because they're not
So
trained for the wildlife side of it, right? I
they
guess.
see the captive. Even for example, if we rescue any Indian ringneck parrot, a baby which I
Mm-hmm.
if we found any baby on the roadside and we just grow them in a once they are grown, we don't let them go in nature, okay, because the wild birds which are available they will just kill them. So what we do
Okay.
is we there are some shelters where we just go them and we'll release them.
Okay. So
Okay,
there
we
is
just
a comment that says, I have male gray African baby 6 months old
oh,
from
wow, that
Mr. I can't see the name.
I
I don't
have
know. I'm sorry. But it is, I think,
Arnab.
Arnam Merchant or something. Yeah.
Okay, the will grow 6 months. Now you can start him teaching. Okay, the new tricks and all. Just go with it.
What is African gray baby? What animal is that?
African grey, again, it's a parrot which is found in Africa. So the body of the African grey will be the grey and red color tail. They are famous because they are good in repeating us. Okay, they speak well.
Oh, they can talk.
They can talk. Okay, they are so intelligent. They are like if for 4 years. Have you ever observed how a 4 years baby speaks? The same
Yes.
way they reply you. The same way they reply you. Okay, so they are well
Oh,
trained. If you train
okay.
them, if you train them, and if you spend time every day, they will be well
Uh-huh.
trained. They don't leave you again. They are a huge bird. They look like they are size of a pigeon. Okay, you can compare with
Okay,
a
okay,
pigeon. That is
okay,
an
okay.
expensive bird again. Okay, the birds are around 40 to 50,000 rupees each.
Wow. But I think it'll be like worth it if you really want, like, talk to an animal. Oh my God. And
Yeah,
especially I'm
only
sure they're beautiful
see,
looking.
having a exotic bird, it's like you have to provide them a proper cage size and all. Okay, for some people, what they do, they buy a parrot and they keep them in a 1 feet, 2 feet cages. Okay, it's like a very, very
Okay,
small place for them. So unless and
okay,
until
okay,
you are not able to provide them an proper cage size, proper food, please don't have a pet, guys. Please don't have them because you will end up losing them. Or the once the birds start getting irritated, or they also go under stress. Once they go under stress, we cannot treat them. They plug their
okay.
hairs. They just change their body structure and all. So please,
They
only
get
and
depressed,
only,
I guess.
yeah, they go into depression again. So, if and only you can spend at least half an hour or 1 hour in a day, you just have them. Or else, I don't suggest you to have a pet.
Oh, okay, okay. That it's busy playing there.
He is very play. He wants to play with me.
Ah, that's nice. So,
Yeah.
I think the last pet of the day.
Yeah. One more I showed in the first. The guy is not interested today. I don't know why he's sitting over there.
Yeah, it
Okay.
was sitting on your shoulder, I think so,
Yeah.
no?
I will try to
Yeah,
get him. We'll see.
sure, sure. So, guys, if you have any questions for Arbaz,
Yeah. Okay. So
I
this is the sun
oh,
corn. So this is the sun corn. Okay. We have named him as.
oh,
These are one of the most beautiful bird which I have, and again, he is very good. Hey, 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 no problem.
They're right. Okay, are they like, how do you figure out like both of them are female or male?
See, we don't easily find out them how they are male and female. There is a process. We should take a DNA. Okay, this one is a female, and again that's a male.
Oh,
Okay, they
okay.
are. Okay, I have a DNA. I have done the DNAs.
Okay, you really go like into it like
Mm,
properly.
yeah, yeah. I suggest that whoever are watching this video, please, before buying a pet, you must go into a deep research. What they have, what is their behavior, what are the signs of their like if they're healthy, what will be the signs? If they are sick, what will be the signs? And there are
Mm-hmm.
some. I don't think this is the right time. Like we should provide them a proper partners. Okay,
Oh,
again, if you don't provide them partners, again
company.
they go under stress.
Yeah, I think you more than like not only the lifestyle but also love and companionship and all that is also required for pets,
As I
right?
said, that's the first thing. Okay, if you don't have time, you please don't purchase any
Adopt
pet.
one. Yeah,
Adopt or purchase whatever it's there.
that's
You
the
just
main
don't
reason
have
my
any.
parents are also like no because if the situation gets better then I won't be at home and my
Yeah,
last pet kind of struggled a lot. She used to miss me a lot, so she used to not eat till I come back home and
yeah.
stuff. So that was a problem.
Animals they usually get addicted to us, and again they end up like we'll lose them. I guess you people have seen
Yeah.
the stories on Instagram and all. The people ran behind the dog ran behind the ambulance because the owner was into it. There was some one dog waited for 10 to 20 years just because the owner died. He could not return back.
Oh,
So,
okay. It's tough, no? So there's somebody
yeah.
called Sumi. She has messaged, I have a green neck parrot which was rescued by you. It's always, it always
Talk,
talks and behaves like a
behave.
human. FYI, it's never caged. So nice. I think it's one of your clients. That's really nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Exactly. No
So,
pet is meant to be caged. Okay, that's nice.
no pet is meant to be caged, but okay, see, I agree with you. No pet is meant to be caged, but
Mm-hmm.
we all have a room, we all have a house. Again, we have to provide them a proper cage
We
where they go.
humans are only caged now.
Okay, so
Look at the situation.
birds, you in a captive, birds are used to cages. Okay, so please don't think that you should not provide a cage. You people will end up losing him again. Okay, once you don't provide him a cage, he won't have his personal place where he can relax, where he can play, where
So
he can
probably
eat.
like a house, but like a bigger space and
Yeah,
something that is
there are particular
comfortable.
sizes for every birds. Okay, if you are having a basic lovebirds or budgies, what you people see in the local pet shops and all, for one pair you have to give a proper 1.5 feet cage, minimum size. Okay, where they can easily fly.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't think that birds should not be caged? Okay, birds should be caged. Okay, because they are birds. If you let them free fly in your house, it's okay. But once you on your fan without thinking the bird is free, again you will lose them. Okay,
Okay.
once you forget to close the
Yeah.
window and open the bird, and again you will lose him. Okay, because all these scenes, all these cases have happened, and people message me like, I yesterday what bird I purchased from you, it died because of my carelessness and all. So from the next time,
Oh.
we don't give him any kind of a bird. We just keep him in a negative list.
Oh, okay, okay. That's a good thing. You kind of you judge the people based on their
Yeah.
actions because you never know.
Because
They
sometimes
might change, but
people
you never know if it is really there or
once
not.
if they have changed, no, we go again. If they again book any bird, we go to them. We teach them. Okay, we just look after their look around their houses, and we'll tell what things to be done to have a
Okay,
bird level. There
okay.
are very few who agree with us. Okay, but there are
Mhm.
many who just argue with us. They will be like, "How can you just cut the wings? How can you just cage him?" And
Yeah,
all those stuff. One
yeah.
fellow, he had a Persian cat, okay? He just
Okay.
wanted to mate a Persian cat with Indian breed cat. Again, that's a stupid thing what people do. I don't understand why they do all these
Okay.
stupid nonsense things.
I like Persian cats. I don't really know as much. My cat was a normal, like regular kind of cat, I guess, and she was free. The thing was, she knew where we were, so she would go out and come back on her own, and very minimal maintenance, just put food and it was. very nice. And I was, that's the reason I think when I asked you also, I was like, any street cat will do because, they're easier to
Yeah.
take care also. They're very smart. Yeah.
So one guy, Mukesh, see, bro, I am so whatever I'm today. So on my Steve, it's all because of Steve Irwin. I'm one of the biggest fan of him when I was a child. Okay, in my
Okay.
in my school days, I didn't used to watch all these cartoons and all. I used to watch him. So
Okay.
I agree with you. He has helped me. He has helped me more to understand about the reptiles and all. Okay, it's
Oh,
not an
okay.
easy task. Okay, in day or 2 days, you just cannot learn everything. It takes a lot of time to understand the behavior. Their no having a snake as a pet. No, even today, if I want to buy any scorpion, there is a guy who gives me a proper knowledge. Okay, his name is Rihan. Okay, so he
Mm-hmm.
provides me a proper knowledge. He's so well in all these reptiles and all. I whatever pets I have, no, if I first don't visit to any vet, I just ask him because every time he just guide me. Okay, that's not you
You
don't have
have
to
to
do
be into
it.
it so much. Yeah.
Yeah, we have to be into. See, from that time he's open and he has not let me alone for a single second.
Yeah, the other
That's
one ran
how.
away, no? It fought with this one and ran away.
Yeah, they are enemies, okay, because he is a new guy to our family now. Because it's just a
Okay.
month I have brought him because they are
Okay.
not friendly still. But this guy is from a baby with me and he just loves me.
Okay. It's gotten used to your presence and
Yeah,
like it's
he
grown
he
up with
just
you.
needs me whenever he's so well trained. Even if he hears the doorbell rings, he just starts screaming. He knows that he will be the owner has came, will provide him some proper food and all. That's the kind. Okay, see again, one more thing. If you people have a dog, if you people have a cat, okay, try to give them treats. You just don't keep them in a single diet every week. You just don't follow the same diet. Try to change their diet, okay? If you have a Persian cat, weekly once or twice, try to give them a boiled egg. If not, at least if possible, try to give them a boiled chicken piece, one piece or a two piece. In starting, they don't try to eat them, but the as days goes they get used to it that
Mm-hmm.
is very good for their health. Okay, first point for the Persian cat. And the second point, try to use the little sand, guys. Don't use the in whatever sand you find on the roadside. First thing, it smells very bad when you use the sand. And the second thing, no,
Mm-hmm.
there is a fungal infection for the cat which very 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 fast it just spreads into their body. And the fungal infection is dangerous to you as well, or in all your faces and all the patches will come once the fungal infection spreads
Yes,
into the
yes. When the cats are
person.
littering in the house. Yeah.
Yeah. So try to use I guess the 10 kg or 5 kg is just of 500 rupees per month. You can spend 500 rupees on the litter, which you people don't have to clean every time. Okay, you people, it's very good for the Persian cat for its health as well. And
Mm-hmm.
I usually get a lot of complaints that Persian cat's hairs is falling in and around 2 months. See,
Yes,
first,
that a lot of people used to say, and especially on the
so,
clothes, like black
and
clothes, everything will be like
so
that.
what we see to avoid all these things, we cannot stop the hair fall because they are meant to be for hairs.
Yeah,
Okay, we love
yeah.
them because of their hairs. Okay, so what you have to do is daily you have to comb them. Okay, in every night, try it every night or any particular time, you just try to comb them. Okay, then you will clean their ears. Okay, what happens is
Mm-hmm.
when they sleep on the floor, they get an itching inside the ear. Okay, you cannot observe it, you cannot see it. Only a vet can understand the problem. So
Mm-hmm.
try to clean their ears, try to comb them every day. Okay, and the nails, please try to trim the nails. If you cannot do it, go to a visit a vet. Okay, I guess only 10 to 50 rupees maximum vet will take to clean them. So you can just you have regular
Okay.
checkups. All these things are must. Okay, all these things are must. Dog keepers are no for a dog it's very easy to maintain because they take to a walk and dog he can express his feelings. But the cats are like a queen. They don't tell. They don't express anything. Okay, if you go to
Yes.
them only then okay you will understand. Okay, he's facing this problem. All these things. So
Yeah, yeah.
the cat owner should be cats
Constantly
are very
present,
sensitive.
like properly present there
Yeah.
and observing them all the time. Like suddenly, oh, this is a little different. It's behaving a little off. Like, yeah.
Try to avoid the moist places. Okay, I have observed the people have kept his litter inside the washrooms where the water will be 24/7. And what happens is the palms are of like, have you ever seen the cotton legs? No, it will be like that.
Yeah.
Again, the
Yeah.
same thing goes spreading once they are wet. No, they don't dry it again. They just keep
Yeah.
having around in and around. So try to clean them. Have a proper
Yes.
observation. If not, please don't
Yes.
have them again, guys. No, because a pet is not just a pet, it must be your family, okay? Unless and until you don't agree them as your family, it's of no use.
True, true, true. You really have to be in love with them to get them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there are
It was
many.
a treat having you today, Arbaz. Thank you so
Thank you
much
so
for
much.
coming and showing all these amazing pets and offbeat stuff and sharing so much knowledge. Before
Yeah,
going, I want to tell you about my lip balm.
yeah.
I have
Okay,
a lip balm which is a cinnamon flavored lip balm. I do this is a unisex lip balm and of course
yeah,
men
yeah.
also
Okay, I am
use
used to
it.
it because okay, let me give some information on my personal experience with it. See, guys,
Okay.
this lip balm is not just a lip balm. Okay, it for men's actually it helps a lot. Okay, because the one who smokes and all their lips usually goes turn black. No, so once you apply it again, it will go to a original form. Okay, the blood flow into your lips will be proper again. So some of the friends have also said me that in summer, what the lip, the lips goes dries. If you use this, again, all those things won't happen. So I guess
Oh
you can
my
try with
God.
it.
Thank you. That's so sweet of you. Thank you so much. Really, it was complete treat. Inshallah, next time we will get in touch again and show other pets that you have.
Sure,
Little
sure.
more pleasant, and I'm sure people who will want to see cats and other stuff. And
Yeah.
now because of
Next
lockdown,
time,
you're
okay.
showing whatever is at home.
Every in see those who wants to see cats, dogs, and all, they can just inform her on me. Okay, in a single video, I cannot get a cat or a snake. Okay, both are
Yes.
again we cannot maintain them. See, today I had brought some birds, so I could not get my cat. Okay, so if
Yeah.
I get a cat, I cannot get my birds. I cannot get these tarantulas
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all.
yeah. True, true.
That's the reason I could not get all of them in at once.
In
So
one place.
next time, yeah, inshallah, if you people want to know anything about dogs, cats, anything, we'll have a proper live session with only dogs and cats. And then if you people only want to know or see anything about the reptiles, we'll have only a reptiles on the
Yes,
live. Okay?
so you guys can comment down below and request what you want to see and what you want to know about. Like you can even ask direct DMs to Arbaz and we can figure
Yeah.
out if we want another live again or not. But this was completely a treat. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Like
so much.
yeah, it was like tough to look at the scorpion and the spider, but it's nice to know that there are people out there who are really, into all of this. And I had no clue this was even sold. I
So
thought
last
it
but
was
not the
animated,
least,
that
okay.
Bala movie thing.
Yeah, someone said no replies. Okay, what
No
is your
reptiles.
reptiles? Ah, okay, no reptiles. Okay, there are okay, you are not interested in reptiles. But once you
Yeah,
get
so
to know about their
somebody is selling
behavior,
birds, please.
yeah,
So
there are
looks
so many
like,
birds.
bro, you have sun conure.
Suncorn. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Suncorn is available. I just showed you.
Oh, okay, that's a bird. Okay.
Yeah, that yellow color bird's name is Suncorn.
But this was really a treat. Thank you so much for doing this. I'm
Thank
sure a
you.
lot of people, whoever watched, will be very, like, in a different space now
Yeah.
from whatever they were dealing with. Thank you
So,
so
okay,
much for
last
doing this.
message, people who found any kind of stray dog, stray cat, any kind of an animal which is being injured on the roadside, okay, please try to reach us, okay. You people don't have to face any kind of police complaint, any kind of problems. Once you complain us, we'll take over everything. So, guys, please, I have seen the dog is been lying over there just because of some car hit with a car accident, and no one is
Yeah,
going near to it. So, see, please. If you people cannot go to near to it, just capture a photo, just send us, okay, and with a proper location and a contact number, we'll as soon as possible we'll try to reach over there. There are many
that's
people who
such
are
a,
working.
like, selfless job, I must say. That's really nice. A beautiful
Yeah.
initiative started by you guys. And someone just
So
commented, Lindsay told, love this life. Thank you.
thank you so
This was,
much.
actually by far the most, close to heart live session, I must say, because animals are always a pleasure to watch.
Exactly.
And your speciality is that you rescue any kind of animal anywhere, like somebody wants to report to you, they can. So that's a really lovely
Yeah.
thing. So I'll link all your description and everything down below so that
Sure, sure. Thank
everybody
you
can
so
be
much.
connected.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rohini. All pleasure having
Yeah.
you.
Thank
Have
you.
a good day.
Thank you,
Bye.
Lucky.